Welcome to MathQuants channel. Today we are going to see CBSE Class 10th Maths Chapter 1 Exercise 1.3 Question number 2. Question is, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. To prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, you first assume, first point is assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to rational number. You assume 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Okay, so if it is a rational number, we can able to write 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b. Okay, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. If a and b have any common factor, you divide a and b by the common factor and you assume a and b are co-prime. Okay, assume a comma b are co-prime or prime numbers. So third step is rearranging this equation. You will get 2 root 5 equal to a by b. You take 3 to the right side. Therefore, 3 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Then you keep 2 root 5 in the left side and take 2 to the right side. This is in the product form. Therefore, if it goes to the other side, it goes to the denominator. Okay, 1 by 2 a by b minus 3. That is equal to, if you multiply 1 by 2 with this numbers a by b, so a by 2b you will get minus 3 by 2 you will get. So 2 root 5 equal to a by 2b minus 3 by 2. Take 2b as a common. Therefore, you will get 2b if you take common. Then here you will get the numerator a minus 3b you will get. So root 5 is equal to a minus 3 by 2b. Next step is, if a and b are integers, okay, if a and b are integers, then root 5 is also a rational number. Okay, root 5 is a rational number. Okay, if a comma b are integers, root 5 is a rational number. But this contradicts to the fact that root 5 is irrational. Okay, so we know that we proved in the first sum. Okay, we proved that root 5 is irrational. So hence, this contradiction has arisen because of the wrong assumption or the incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Okay, so this contradiction has arisen, okay, because of the incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So we conclude that, okay, we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, this is the answer for this question. So we have concluded that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational.